Electric cars, no tailpipe, no emissions while driving. That means cleaner air, especially in crowded cities where every breath counts. Imagine rush hour with only EVs, no more clouds of exhaust, just cleaner air for everyone. It's a vision of the future that's already starting to happen in some cities around the world. It's not just about climate change, it's about healthier neighborhoods. Cleaner air means fewer asthma attacks, healthier kids, and a better quality of life for everyone. Studies show that communities with more electric vehicles have lower rates of respiratory illnesses and hospital visits related to air pollution. Some ask, what about the electricity? It's a fair question. After all, electricity has to come from somewhere. True, power plants can pollute, but the grid is getting cleaner every year. More and more of our electricity comes from renewable sources like wind and solar, which don't produce any emissions at all. Even today, EVs are responsible for fewer emissions than gas cars, even when charged from the average power grid. And as the grid gets greener, so does every electric car on the road. And as more renewables come online, your EV gets greener over time. It's like your car is helping the planet more and more with every passing year. With gas cars, you're stuck burning fossil fuels for life. There's no way to make a gasoline engine cleaner once it's on the road. With EVs, you're part of a system that's improving. Every new wind farm or solar panel makes your drive even cleaner. Buying an electric car is investing in a cleaner future. It's a choice that benefits not just you, but your community and the planet. That's why so many are making the switch. People everywhere are realizing that driving electric is about more than just saving money. It's about making a positive impact. Driving an EV is a direct way to help the planet. Every mile you drive electric is a step toward cleaner air, healthier communities, and a brighter future for everyone. Let's talk money, because when it comes to buying a car, your wallet is front and center. Whether you're shopping for your first vehicle or upgrading to something new, the financial side of things is always a big deal.